Hi again everyone. In the first video we saw how to build and use an IoT system using Microsoft Azure, using a virtual environment sensor that communicates over the MQTT protocol and using the backend system as MQTT broker. And now, for something completely different, we're gonna explore the MQTT protocol, but for wireless sensor networks this time. So let's dive inside to discover how to build an application on top of the previous one that uses such protocols. So within the technologies involved for this application, we're going to use the RIOT-OS, a small light operating system based on a microkernel for low power and memory constrained IoT devices. You can download it from the GitHub page listed in the description. We will basically follow this guide in the Riot page. Download everything you need in the environment, and after the download we have to configure the bridge, telling him that we want to use the specific protocols. For this purpose we're going to download and use Mosquito Really Small Message Broker, which is a server implementation of an MQTT-SN bridge and the specific port for the MQTT and MQTT-SN, and enable IPv6. So the idea is to build a gateway bridge in Python that subscribes to the MQTT-SN broker that collects messages gathered from the topics in which we're interested and publishes all the messages, forwarding them to the MQTT broker, the Microsoft Azure backend. So simply copy and paste this instruction, as shown in the video, and store them into a configuration file. So now we can start MQTT-SN broker. Just type in these commands. To generate the telemetry values of the environment station, we will build a client application with Riot that publishes messages on different topics over the MQTT-SN channel. But first we have to configure other global addresses to allow the MQTT-SN broker to be able to route all the messages. So follow this instruction in this page to set up and the top bridge devices using Riot top setup script. And now to set up the native board in Riot, we have to just follow the instruction in the readme file, and we can start the application with make all term, choosing the top 0 port. So once the application is running from the Riot terminal, we have to configure the address of the MQTT-SN bridge and connect the client with these commands. So now that the client is connected to the UDP port, we're now ready to start publishing messages on the MQTT-SN channel to the MQTT-SN broker. As you can see, messages are being published, and we can now start the gateway bridge and send all the messages to the Microsoft Azure broker. We can even start our old application and even the web application to show all the messages into the same charts we saw last time. So we just log into localhost 3000 and see the final results. The messages are being published in different way. So remember that the virtual device resides on the IoT Hub inside the Azure portal. So that's it. Don't forget to download everything you need from the link below and to check out my GitHub page for all the information you need and the hands-on tutorial on LinkedIn. Enjoy, thanks for watching.